In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit, remove, or change a payment term in QuickBooks Online. If you need to update a payment term because your billing process has changed, or you simply want to clean up older terms you no longer use, QuickBooks Online gives you a simple way to manage that. It's important to know, though, that terms connected to existing transactions usually can't be permanently deleted. That's because QuickBooks is designed to preserve your accounting history and keep past records accurate. In those cases, the best option is to hide the term instead of deleting it. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of your screen. Click the gear icon to open your settings menu. This is where you'll find many of the administrative tools used to manage lists, preferences, and company settings. From the menu, find the Lists column and select All Lists. This area brings together several list-based items in QuickBooks, making it easier to manage things like payment terms from one place. Once you're in All Lists, choose Terms. This will open the full list of payment terms currently available in your QuickBooks Online account. Take a moment to review the list and locate the term you want to update. If you have several terms that look similar, double-check the name before making changes so you edit the correct one. When you find the payment term you want to change, go to the Action column on that same row. Click the drop-down menu, then select Edit. This opens the term details so you can make adjustments. Now update the information you need. You can change the term's name, which is useful if you want clearer wording, or update the number of days if your payment deadline has changed. Be careful when modifying terms that have already been used, since those terms may affect how future invoices are assigned or interpreted. Once your changes look right, click Save. If your goal is to remove a term, remember that QuickBooks Online does not let you permanently delete a term if it has already been used in transactions. This is done to protect the integrity of your accounting records. Instead, you can hide the term so it no longer appears as an active option going forward. That helps keep your list organized without affecting past invoices or reports. And that's how to edit, remove, or change a payment term in QuickBooks Online. Once you know where the terms list is located, updating it becomes quick and straightforward.